Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'll show you how you can add your own letters in the software, or what we call the manual letters. From the dashboard, click on Letter Vault at the top, and from here, go to Manual Letters. You can add or import your manual letters. You could do it either way, either importing a letter that you have already been using in the past, or you can add or type in from scratch a new one. All you have to do is click on Add Manual Letter icon and it would route you to the Add Manual Letters screen. If you wish to import or upload any letters you have been using in the past, may it be from a .doc file or a .docx or a .txt file, you can easily import them as long as it's any of these three formats. If it's a different format other than the three, then you would have to convert that to this same format listed down right here in order for you to import them successfully. Once you have the right format, all you have to do is click on Choose File and get it imported in. Now, what if you are writing down from scratch? First, you would want to input the letter title. Then choose the category of your choice. Is this letter created for the credit bureau? Is it for the creditor, collector, or is it for a response letter? Once you have selected the right category, now it's time for you to create your letter. Inside the text box, you'll be able to see some default placeholders that you could actually maximize and use. We have the name of your client, current address, the social security number, date of birth, the date that the letter was actually generated or created, Dear Credit Bureau, so that it automatically addresses which credit bureau the letter was created for, the creditor or the creditor or furnisher's account, details or name, the account number, and the reason that you have opted in. Now, if you wish to add more placeholders, you could maximize any of the placeholders that we have right here onto this side. For example, after the address of your client, you wish to automatically add the credit bureau addresses, you could just simply select the placeholder from here to add them in. You would want to always add all three of them so that if you use the specific letter, to whomever credit bureau they are addressed to, automatically the address of that credit bureau would be plugged in. For example, if you are using this letter for an Experian, or if you are using this letter for a furniture that is reflecting to Experian, automatically the Dear Credit Bureau would be updated to Dear Experian, and the address of Experian would be added right here. Once you're done typing or creating your letter, add in your title, of course. Now, once you're done creating your letter, just go ahead and type in the title. Just make sure you have it there. Double check your category and click on Save It in Vault. Once you have successfully saved your manual letter, it would be now added or applied into under the category you have opted in. And from here, you could delete any letters that you have added in. You could also modify them again by clicking onto the edit icon, and you could download any of your letters. Now, you can already maximize the manual letters into the Dispute Manager screen if you go to Dispute Manager. And from here, let's say, for example, you are using a credit bureau letter. Just go to Credit Bureaus. In order for you to maximize any of your manual letters, just click on Manual Letters and you'll be able to choose them from here. So that would complete our quick training tutorial on how you can add your own letter or your manual letter in the software.